Welcome to the Learn a Language channel. This is where you can improve your English with micro stories. Hi, I'm Emma, and I'm really happy to share my special day at the Wildlife Wonderland Zoo. My parents surprised me with a zoo trip, and it turned out to be the best day ever. We started in the bird area, where I saw amazing birds. First, we saw toucans with big, colorful beaks. They had lots of beautiful colors. Next, we saw parrots sitting and talking. I even tried to draw them in my notebook. After the bird area, we visited the savannah. I saw zebras with their cool black and white stripes. Did you know each zebra's stripes are unique, just like our fingerprints? We had lunch by the pond. I made friends with turtles and gave them names. They said hello by popping their heads up. They looked so cute. We went further into the zoo and found some playful otters. They were sliding down a small waterfall, and I couldn't stop laughing. I drew their funny faces in my notebook. Then, we saw the big cats. We visited the tigers. I saw the cutest little tiger. Nearby, there was a beautiful black puma. They were both strong and playful. I imagined playing with them. Next, we went to the reptile house. I faced my fear of snakes. I even touched a gentle snake, and it wasn't as scary as I thought. Finally, we went to the petting zoo. I got to pet goats. They were so much fun. Next were the fluffy rabbits. They were both friendly and cute. As the day ended, my heart was full of memories. It was a great day. I can't wait to show my friends my drawings and tell them about the zoo. It was a fantastic adventure in the Wildlife Wonderland Zoo, and I hope to go back someday soon. If you want to improve your English, here are a few more ideas for you.